Fridge. Once I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there, and I thought, what's in? A syrup. What syrup? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger it, ear, and lick it.
Tastes nice.
Lift the jug and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is peach syrup, peach syrup, peach syrup, peach syrup, tinned peach syrup. What a drink. So I drank the lot. Oh, this is good. This is peach syrup. Not long after, a few days later, I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there, and a syrup. What syrup? Smell it. Oh yes, this is peach syrup again, peach syrup again, peach syrup again, peach syrup again. Lift the jug and drink. And drink some more, and drink some more, and drink some more, and drink some more, and drink some more. And drink some more. This isn't peach, this is... My mouth is full of oil, thick cooking oil. I wonder who put that there.